So, looking at the home bar design, I've made a few slight changes. Just going through the design again, we're going to use the Pina wine shelf supports in 3 different segments. And if we just zoom in a little bit closer, once again, we'll recess them in and then we'll run some LED lighting around each individual wine shelf. So I was looking at that one over there, the largest one on 3 different segments. Okay, so going into the bar again, we'll use that mottled glass effect, set it slightly forward and run some LED lighting around it again. We're going to have many choices with regards to quartz, and I'll put a few selections together so we can try and make the best contrasts. Then going into this area over there, that's a high gloss wood effect, which is a decker panel in high gloss. Just to go into the quartz so we get a little bit of different materials working with each other. Then once again an opening where people can put their drinks down on. As you can see, I've changed the seating now. This is going to be crushed velvet going all the way around. And if you, as we discussed over there, you can see the symmetry or composition of the 3 large panels going down there. And what I've done on the other side is another 3 large panels just to complement each other. Once again, open glass shelving with lighting inside, down lighting in all the open cavities. And what I think also would be nice, but this is completely up to you. I think we need to put a bit of your art inside this project. Been on your website and some of your art looks absolutely fantastic. And I do think we need to kind of somehow get it into this design. Just to breathe a little bit of life into it. Change these panels on the wall. Once again, these are going to be set back with recessed LED lighting going around them. But I thought I'd just break them up so they didn't look too boring, maybe with a mirror strip in 3 segments. So the chairs are the mocha chairs over there, and as you can see also they mirror each other, the 3 panels on either side with recessed LED lightings going around them. The different stone effects. So obviously, as we discussed, they complement each other. Just another idea for this wall over there, if you wanted to look at another idea, I was on your website and I quite liked that type of sculpture or art installation, maybe turning around on the corners. So that's something to think about. And you could also potentially do this on the other side over there. And then obviously this is a fantastic feature, 3D walling effect. We place it on the ceiling with some backlighting and hopefully create that type of effect, which looks fantastic. And then I'm going to just do a quick section of this area over here. going into the back bar. A wine chiller cooler for his white wines and beers, alternatively. And then obviously a step where he can do his prep for various cocktails or drinks. So that's the bar. Hope you like it. Speak to you soon. Bye.